पे मास कितना है बेटा? मास है 500 ग्राम। सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, इसे ऐसा यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे। दैट कैन बी रिटन एज 500 ग्राम अपॉन 500 अपॉन 1000 किलोग्राम, और दैट कैन बी रिटन एज 1/2 किलोग्राम। Initial velocity u is 0 because particle is given as at rest. Body is in rest, तो u की वैल्यू कितनी हो गई? 0 हो गई। Acted upon by force which causes to move a distance of 4 meter in 2 seconds. Here we want to calculate the value of force. The distance given is d equal to 2 meter and d equal to 4 meter in 2 seconds. Okay. Mass 500 gram, that is equal to 1/2 kilogram. Initial velocity 0. Distance covered in 2 seconds by the body will be 4 meter. It is given. We want to calculate the force. We assume that force is constant because no information is given for the force. So we assume force is constant. Okay. Consider the body like this. This is the basically force. Using Newton second law, F can be written as m into A, and we can written as A will be equal to F by m, right? The distance covered D will be equal to half into A into T square. Why we use this? इसे इसलिए इस्तेमाल किया क्योंकि इनिशियल वेलोसिटी कितनी है? 0, तो D will be equal to half of A, that can be written as F by m into T square. On putting the values of these F, M and T, we can calculate the value of D or F. Here D is given as 4, that will be equal to half into F upon M is given as half into T. T is given as 2, that becomes 2 square. If we simplify, 1/2 cancel by 2 and 4 cancel by 4, that can be written as F will be equal to 1 Newton. F will be equal to 1 Newton. This is the basically answer.